Just a quick one today. Essentially today, the space shuttle is going to use a satellite to expose the International Space Station for us. Essentially, it's an old bit of footage that I've never seen before, certainly, of a satellite release, which essentially turns into a Thunderbird's cable fest. Pay particular attention to the top of the so-called satellite as it's released here from the so-called space shuttle. Okay, bear with me. Right, we'll watch the clip a couple of times. Like I said, pay particular attention to the top of the satellite here as it's released, okay?
Deployed out of the payload bay. With all its shimmering surfaces, Jim Weatherby commented it looked like R2-D2 coming out of the payload bay.
That is a bit of an insult to R2-D2, young lady. That looked like, to me, a Thunderbird-style model being lifted out the back of a space shuttle prop. Let's have another look.
Deployed out of the payload bay. With all its shimmering surfaces, Jim Weatherby commented it looked like R2-D2 coming out of the payload bay.
And again.
Deployed out of the payload bay. With all its shimmering surfaces, Jim Weatherby commented it looked like R2-D2 coming out of the
Ridiculous. And look, as I scan back and forth now, look at this cable glisten in the light here, exposing this space shuttle. Heliocentric space, the globe, and of course the International Space Station, which the space shuttle supposedly built. A very bad day at the pantomime stage for NASA. Dear, oh dear, oh dear.